Apart from Sam, I am the luckiest person here today to have a sister like you. From bossing you around when we were younger and you doing everything I said to that still being the case now, we have had the best relationship growing up.
I, Samuel Graham Blake,
take you, Alice Benita Shepherd,
take you, Alice Benita Shepherd,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Sam, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
Very great pleasure to confirm you are now husband and wife. Many congratulations, and may I invite you to take your first kiss as a married couple.
To Alice, who looks absolutely incredible today, you are my best friend, my partner, and now my wife. Every day you bring me laughter, happiness, and more love than I ever thought possible. With you, I feel balanced. With you, I feel complete. And with you, I become the best version of who I am. And I cannot wait to see what adventures we will share together for the rest of our lives. So, ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses to the new Mrs. Alice Blake.
Thank you for letting me be part of your special day. It's been a great day so far. But I wish you many years of happiness, and yeah. So, Sam and Alice, everybody.